class. Okay, start doing question number 17. Work out question number 17. Journal. I don't think there is any confusion regarding the transaction. You are familiar with all these transactions. So once you complete, we'll discuss the answer. After journal, raise your hand. Give me the sticker. Raise your hand. Okay. Then we'll discuss the problem. Then we will move on to ledger. Pranav, where did you reach? Which transaction?
Discount allowed.
Tell me the date.
January 15.
15. Okay. Okay. Carry on. Rahul, where did you reach?
Goods sold to Naman.
Date. Tell me the date.
Jan 8.
January
8.
8. Good sold to Naman. Okay. Fast. Speed up. Anish, where are you?
Ma'am, January 8, ma'am.
8. Okay. Okay. Akshay?
January, ma'am.
8 only. Alan? Shibu, where are you? Which date?
January 5.
Okay. Make it fast. Aman, are you doing? Once you complete the problem, you should raise your hand, okay? Then we will discuss the answers. Then we will move to ledger. January 23, goods issued for household purpose. Goods are taken for household purpose means that is for his personal use. Household, house, that is his personal affair. So it is drawings account debtor to purchase account. Why? It is from goods. I told you only when you start a business with cash and goods. Only in that case, we will open a stock account. After that, everywhere, wherever you see goods, it is purchase account. Okay? So the entry will be drawings account debtor to purchase account. Yes, Anish? Any doubt? Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Rahul, where did you reach?
Ma'am, January 23.
January?
23.
Okay, 23. January 27, bank charges. Okay, bank charges, it is simply given bank charges. So from the word you understand that you are paying some charges. It is some expense for the business. Okay, so it is an expense. So when it is an expense, what we do? Expense account debit to cash account or bank account. Okay, so the entry will be bank charges account debit to cash account. You can either write cash or bank. Cash account, cash or bank account. Anyone, okay? Either cash account or bank account. Both are correct. Cash account means you are paying the liquid cash. Bank account means payment is done through the bank. So, journal entry will be bank charges account debit. As it is bank charges, I go for bank account. Bank charges, definitely bank charges will be making through bank only. So let us take it bank account. Then check given for insurance premium. So insurance, when you take insurance, you have to pay insurance amount. So insurance premium amounts. So it is also again a payment. You have paid. How is the payment done? It is through check. Okay, check payment. So the entry will be insurance account debtor. Insurance account debit to what? It is check. Check means it is bank. Insurance account debit to bank. Insurance account debit to bank.
Ma'am, can you explain January 4?
January 4. Okay.
24.
24. Drawn cash from bank for office use. Drawn cash from bank. So withdrawn, that means withdrawn cash from bank for office use. Office use is for the business use only. It is not a personal use. So it is understood it is not drawings anyway. And January 24, withdrawn cash from bank. Cash is taken from bank. So cash is taken to the business. Cash increase. Cash balance increase with the business. So cash account debit to bank. Why? The bank balance has reduced now. Yes, everybody have wrote the same entry. Cash account debtor to bank. January 24th.
Ma'am,
Yes.
January 23. Could you explain?
Sorry, January 20?
Third.
23rd. Before Pranav asked the same question. Goods issued. So that means goods are issued. Goods are taken. Okay. For what? Household purpose. Household purpose means what? It is at your house. That means it is a personal use, personal, not related to business. Personal purpose means what? It is drawings. Drawings account. So what is given debit? DEA, dealer, D, drawings. Drawings account, debtor. Drawings account, debit. What? To purchases account. Purchases account. Only when you find a transaction as started business with goods. Okay, the very first entry. Started business with goods. Then only you will use the term stock account. Otherwise, wherever you find the term goods, you will go for purchase account. Why? Because how will you get the goods? Goods always come into the business by way of purchase only. When you purchase only, you get the goods. Okay? So that's why wherever you find goods, you will go for purchase account. Drawings account debit to purchase account. Okay? Anything else? Any other transaction? Doubt? So I understand most of you have reached. Yes, Alan?
Ma'am, January 20.
Withdrawn from bank for personal use. Withdrawn from bank. Okay. For personal use. Personal use, it is always drawings. Drawings. So drawings account debit. 2. From where did you take the money? It is withdrawn from the bank. So bank balance reduce. Bank is a asset. Bank is a asset. So when you take money from the bank, bank balance reduce. Asset decrease. Asset decrease, you credit. So to bank account. Drawings account debit to bank account. So by now, I think almost everybody have completed the question. Okay, check your answers. You can see the journal entries here. And those who have completed, have confidence, start drawing the ledger accounts. Cash account debtor to capital, Jan 1. Jan 2, bank account debtor to cash. Purchase account debtor to Tara. Purchase account debtor to cash. Check your answers. Naman account debtor to sales account. Tara account debtor to cash. Cash account debtor, discount allowed debtor to Naman. Wages account debtor to cash. Furniture account debtor to cash. Let me change the slide.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Drawings account debtor to bank. Rent account debtor to bank. Drawings account debtor to purchases. Cash account debtor to bank. Cash account debtor to commission. Bank charges account debtor to bank. Insurance account debtor to bank. Salaries account debtor to cash account. Cash account debtor to sales account. Okay? And don't forget to calculate the totals, okay? Don't stop with this. You should find the totals of both the column. Debit amount column, credit amount column. Only when you get both the columns equal, you can say the answer is right. Okay? Yes, quickly prepare the ledger accounts fast. So always provide a bigger column for cash, also bank. See, after reading or after going through the journal entries, you can find cash accounts will be repeating, and in this problem you can find bank account repeating. So based on this repetition, you will decide what size should be provided for the ledger account. So always give bigger box, bigger account for cash account, bank account. If you are thorough with this journal and ledger posting, then nothing is there to worry about accountancy. By now you got an idea how to journalize what should be debited, what should be credited. Debited, credited in the sense, what should be given the debit, what should be given the credit. By this ledger posting, the major part is over. And this itself is the basic thing, basic concepts in accounting. Yes? Ledger accounts ready? See, you can easily post these rent, drawings, bank charges. Bank charge is only one. I mean, there is only one entry, no? Bank charge, salary, insurance. So these you can do quickly. Wages, furniture, capital account. This is what I say. Only through practice, doing more and more problems, you will come into the track. You will know how to handle all these accounts, which one to fill up first, how to make sure everything has been posted. So this will come only with solving more problems. Yes, shall we start discussing the ledger? Okay. Alan, tell me the first journal entry. I mean, what is to be done with what? Cash account debtor to capital. So tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in cash account, capital is debited.
Very good. Very good. Yes. Cash account is debited with to capital. Very good. Good answer. Then capital. How about capital?
Cash is credited.
In the capital account,
Cash
we
is credited.
yes, cash is credited. That means on the credit side, buy cash. Good. See, when you draw the ledger accounts, don't draw T accounts. Okay, I'm repeating. Give all the columns. Anish, tell me the second one. Bank account debtor to cash.
Yes, ma'am. In bank account,
Yes.
on the debtor side, we have to put cash account.
Yeah. Yeah. To cash. So we can say it this way. Bank account debit. That means bank account is debited with cash. So bank account on the debit side, we will write to cash. What you said is correct. Now, what about the cash? Tell me cash account.
Ma'am, it will be on the cash, on the credit side,
Hmm.
right bank account.
What will you write on the credit side?
Cash account credited to by bank account.
By bank. Cash account is credited by bank. Very good. Okay. Rana, purchase account debtor to Tara.
Purchase account is debited
Very good. Perfect. Purchase account is debited
to Tara.
to Tara. So on the debit side, it is to Tara in the purchase account. And tell me about Tara account.
It is credited by purchases.
Very good. Okay. By purchase. Okay. So I'll show you the screen share. Check your answers. Cash account. See cash account and look at the bank account. We have so many entries in cash account as well as bank account. Capital, there is only one. Balancing. Balancing is the most important concept in ledger. How to do the balancing. So please complete the problem. We'll discuss the answers on the next day and I'll be starting the new portion on Tuesday. It is time to wind up. I'll be sending more and more problems. Please do it. Please do it and send me the answers. Okay? It is time to wind up. Thank you all. See you on Tuesday.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Thank you.